What's up, guys? I have another box for you. This is my Pop Sugar must-have box for October. I haven't opened this puppy yet, so I'm seeing it as you are. Of course, we have the booklet. Looks like this, which... Yep. Open you up now. Oh my goodness. So inside October's box looks like that. Oh my goodness. First thing I see is something I'm pretty familiar with. This is the wet brush. For any of you that have long hair, I highly recommend this brush. I already have one and I love it. Definitely glad to have another one. I love this brush. I couldn't live without it. If you have a sensitive head that's sensitive to brushing your hair, this works wonders. Would definitely be great for kids too. Any little girl that doesn't like brushing her hair won't mind with this thing. Looks like that. Love that. Next up, I see something I'm familiar with too. So in that little bubble wrap are 2 julep nail polishes. Oh, so on this side is the Freedom Polymer Top Coat, and then there's a regular julep polish here. Looks like that. Okie-dokie. Next up, I see this little bag. Little bag is from Gorjana Griffin. Let's see what you is. Let's see. Ooh. So inside that little bag is this cute little bracelet. Just some gorgeous gold studs with a little clasp there with some hot pink string. I love this. This would have matched my outfit today. Love this. Can't wait to rock it. Next up, I see something from Jane Tran. These are, I guess, glittery hair clips. I hope you guys can see the glitter there. They're gorgeous. Looks like that. Next up, I see a little card from Stitch Fix. So I guess they included a little gift card there. If you guys want to check it out, you could check it out at stitchfix.com. Oh, what is this? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Next up, I see this. This is from the Crispery. This is their crispy cakes. These are handmade crisp rice marshmallow treats. You can check them out at thecrispery.com. This is their Halloween sprinkles cake. Look at those fun Halloween sprinkles. And there's their information there. Oh, I can't wait to eat this. Love me some Rice Krispie treats. Next up, we have something from NYX. This is their liquid black eyeliner. Looks like that. Love me some NYX. Next up, we have another product from NYX. This is their Smoky Shadow Palette. This is in TSS01, I think. Shadows look like that. And there's the back there. I guess this is in TSS01. I don't know. Awesome. Last in my box is this big old book. This is the Can't Cook book. It's 100+ recipes for the Absolutely Terrified by Jessica Seinfeld. Front looks like that. As you can see, it's just a giant big old cookbook there. This looks pretty cool. That's it. So there was everything in my Pop Sugar must-have box for October. If you guys want to check out Pop Sugar, I believe I do have a referral link, maybe a coupon code. I'll put that info down below. If you guys currently get Pop Sugar, let me know what you guys thought of the box this month. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Good night.